Way back when in Egypt land did we have to slaughter a lamb? What on earth does the blood of a lamb on doorpost have to do with death not visiting our families? What on earth does a sacrifice in a meal have to do with us being rescued and delivered from captivity out of Egypt to be delivered in the land of promise? What does a ceremony and a celebration have to do with freeing us and allowing us to fully live in light of God's covenant with us? It was all to point to Jesus. It all pointed to Christ. It was all that when he goes to the cross, we will see not just that he is a good moral example or that he was a wise teacher who was wrongly persecuted, convicted, tortured, and killed, but that on the cross he accomplishes something for us that is spiritual, that is real, and that is eternal. Jesus is our Passover lamb. He is on the cross dying so that that blood, if applied to us, will cause our shackles to fall away, our sins to be forgiven, death to pass over, freedom in the covenant relationship that we have God to be established. He dies so that we can step into all of God's promises for us.